if you are a proud parrot owner, it is crucial to learn how to care for your feathery friend properly. Parrots are intelligent and social creatures, so providing them with förskiwiver and amar, the right care is essential for their well-being. Here are some tips to help you effectively care for your parrot. First and foremost, it is crucial to provide your parrot with a spacious and comfortable cage. Your parrot should have enough room to stretch its wings and move around freely. Remember to place perches in the cage at different heights to allow your parrot to exercise its feet muscles. The cage should also be kept clean and hygienic by regularly removing droppings and providing fresh water and food for your parrot. Proper nutrition is vital for your parrot's health. Parrots have dietary needs that require a variety of fruits, vegetables, seeds, and pellets. Consult an avian veterinarian to determine the best diet plan for your parrot, as different species have specific dietary requirements. Avoid feeding your parrot chocolates, caffeine, alcohol, or food that is toxic to birds, such as avocado. Another crucial aspect of parrot care is social interaction. Parrots are highly social animals and thrive on human companionship. Ensure that you spend quality time with your parrot every day. Engage in activities such as talking, playing, and training to stimulate their cognitive abilities. Remember to provide toys and mental stimulation to prevent boredom. Maintaining a hygienic environment is necessary to keep your parrot healthy. Regularly clean the cage, perches, dishes, and toys with warm soapy water or bird-safe cleaning products. Parrots are susceptible to dust and dander, so it is essential to keep their surroundings clean. Monitoring your parrot's health is crucial for early detection of any potential issues. Make sure to schedule regular checkups with an avian veterinary. Watch for signs of sickness, such as lethargy, decreased appetite, and changes in droppings. Promptly address any and inadequate health concerns to ensure your parrot receives the necessary care. Lastly, providing a safe and secure environment is essential for your parrot's well-being. Ensure that windows and doors are closed to prevent escape or accidents. Avoid exposing your parrot to harmful fumes, such as smoke, or strong cleaning chemicals. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your parrot thrives and remains happy. Remember, caring for a parrot is a long-term commitment, and with love, attention, and proper care, your parrot can become a cherished member of your family.